Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by opening Command Prompt. Do it quickly. Press the Windows key, type CMD, and hit Enter. Once the window appears, run ipconfig and look for the ip4 address line. You do this because ipconfig queries the network adapter and returns the current local addresses. Make sure to note whether you're on Ethernet versus Wi-Fi. That determines which adapter block to read. If you need elevated details, run Command Prompt as administrator before continuing. Once done, study the ipconfig output. Find the ip4 address for your device and the default gateway for the router. You should also check the DNS servers shown. They tell where name queries go. Make sure to run ipconfig/all when you need DHCP lease times, MAC address, and adapter status. This reveals whether the address is static or assigned. If you see no address or 169, 254, X, you may need to troubleshoot the DHCP lease next. So finish by renewing or refreshing if the address looks wrong. Run ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew. You'll force a DHCP reassignment. Once you have a valid ip4, verify external reachability by pinging the gateway, then ping 8 to confirm internet access. If you must find your public IP, use a trusted web service or curl if available. Troubleshooting tip: if renew fails, reboot the router and your PC. Check cables or Wi-Fi authentication, then repeat the renew steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.